Hello guys and welcome to the YouTube channel of Billionaire Cars. Today we will talk about Dan Bilzerian car collection in 2022. But before that, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Watch the video till the end and enjoy. Dan Bilzerian is an actor, sportsperson and a well-settled businessman or entrepreneur. Dan Bilzerian enjoys a very luxurious life of which many people dream of. He is a very rich and a famous person among youth all over the world. Dan Bilzerian has a huge fan base on Instagram or on YouTube. Dan Bilzerian has a net worth of $210 million. So now let's talk about Dan Bilzerian car collection in 2022. So the first car in our list is Mercedes G-Wagon, which cost around 2.68 crore in Indian market. And the second car in our list is Lamborghini Aventador, which cost around 5.4 crore in Indian market. And the third car is 1965 Shell by Cobra, which cost around 6.18 crore in Indian market. And the fourth car is Rolls-Royce Cullinan, which cost around 7.20 crore in Indian market. And the fifth car is Rolls-Royce Phantom, which cost around 8.64 crore in India. And the sixth car is Lamborghini Urus, which cost around 3.24 crore in Indian market. And the seventh car is BMW X6, which cost around 1 crore in India. And the last but not least is Cadillac Escalade, which cost around 50 lakh rupees approximately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.